Welcome to my channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most jaw-dropping motorhomes to hit the market in recent years, the 2026 GMC Hyperion. This isn't just any motorhome. It's a rolling mansion that combines luxury, cutting-edge engineering, and rugged, heavy-duty performance into a single, awe-inspiring package. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Hyperion commands attention with its bold, imposing presence. Designed for those who refuse to compromise on style or capability. This motorhome is engineered to make a statement on every road it travels, blending the elegance of high-end residential design with the robustness needed to conquer diverse terrains. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 GMC Hyperion is nothing short of spectacular. Its body is built on a reinforced heavy-duty chassis that immediately sets it apart from conventional motorhomes. The paint finish is meticulous, featuring a deep metallic sheen that reflects light with a brilliance rarely seen in this class. Aerodynamic lines are seamlessly integrated into the design, not only for aesthetic appeal, but to enhance stability and fuel efficiency on the highway. LED headlights and taillights, along with strategically placed accent lighting, provide a modern, futuristic look, while ensuring safety and visibility in all conditions. The Hyperion also features retractable awnings, high-capacity luggage compartments, and sturdy entry steps, making it as practical as it is luxurious. Large panoramic windows wrap around the living areas, allowing an abundance of natural light to flood the interior and offering sweeping views of the landscape wherever your journey takes you. For the adventurous traveler, this motorhome is equipped with heavy-duty off-road tires and an advanced suspension system, allowing it to tackle rough terrains with confidence while maintaining a smooth ride. Stepping inside the Hyperion is like entering a five-star hotel on wheels. The interior is designed with meticulous attention to detail, combining state-of-the-art technology with unparalleled comfort. The living space is expansive, with high ceilings and open-plan layouts that make the motorhome feel far larger than its actual dimensions. Premium materials abound, from leather seating and handcrafted wood cabinetry to polished metal accents and ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to suit your mood. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with high-end appliances including a full-sized refrigerator, induction, cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. Ample counter space and storage solutions make meal preparation a joy, whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or preparing a gourmet dinner. The dining area is thoughtfully positioned near panoramic windows, allowing you to enjoy your meals with stunning views. The bedroom in the Hyperion is nothing short of a sanctuary. It features a king-sized bed with plush, memory foam mattress and adjustable lighting controls for personalized comfort. Storage is intelligently integrated into every available space, ensuring that you can bring along everything you need without clutter. The ensuite bathroom rivals that of any luxury home, complete with a spacious shower, high-end fixtures, and even a smart mirror with integrated lighting and temperature controls. Additionally, the motorhome offers advanced climate control systems, ensuring optimal comfort regardless of the weather outside. Smart technology is seamlessly integrated throughout, including touch panels for lighting, entertainment, and temperature management, giving you full control at your fingertips. Performance-wise, the 2026 GMC Hyperion is a marvel of heavy-duty engineering. It's powered by a robust V8 turbo diesel engine, paired with an advanced transmission system designed to handle extreme loads without compromising efficiency or smoothness. The ride quality is remarkable, thanks to its sophisticated suspension system that absorbs shocks from uneven roads while maintaining stability. With this level of power, the Hyperion can easily tackle mountainous routes, tow additional vehicles or trailers, and maintain highway speeds comfortably, even when fully loaded. Fuel efficiency has been optimized through a combination of aerodynamic design, advanced engine management systems, and lightweight composite materials used throughout the build. For those who enjoy off-grid adventures, the motorhome comes equipped with large-capacity fuel tanks, water storage, and optional solar panels, allowing extended journeys without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Safety features are comprehensive, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation systems, and a 360-degree camera system for easy maneuvering in tight spaces. When it comes to entertainment and connectivity, the Hyperion leaves no stone unturned. Multiple high-definition screens are strategically placed throughout the living areas, integrated with streaming services and satellite TV for uninterrupted entertainment. A premium sound system delivers immersive audio quality, perfect for movie nights or hosting gatherings while on the road. Connectivity is further enhanced with high-speed internet access and smart home integration, allowing you to control everything from lighting to security remotely. For families or groups, there's an innovative modular seating system that can be configured for social gatherings, workspaces, or additional sleeping areas, making the Hyperion a versatile option for a wide range of lifestyles. In terms of pricing, the 2026 GMC Hyperion is positioned in the upper tier of luxury motorhomes, reflecting the level of craftsmanship, technology, and engineering invested in this rolling masterpiece. While exact pricing may vary depending on customization options, you can expect it to start in the mid-six-figure range, which is competitive when compared to other high-end motorhomes that offer similar features. Considering the combination of heavy-duty capability, luxury amenities, and advanced technology, the Hyperion represents exceptional value for those seeking the ultimate travel experience without compromise. Buyers also have the option to further personalize their motorhome with bespoke finishes, custom layouts, and high-performance upgrades, ensuring that each Hyperion is truly unique to its owner. Overall, the 2026 GMC Hyperion Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement. It caters to travelers who demand comfort, luxury, and performance in equal measure, whether exploring scenic highways, remote wilderness, or urban landscapes. Every aspect of the Hyperion has been carefully designed to provide a seamless blend of practicality and opulence, from its striking exterior and luxurious interior to its powerful engine and advanced technological features. It's a motorhome that invites you to embrace the road with confidence, offering unparalleled comfort and convenience while still allowing you to explore off the beaten path. Whether you're an avid road tripper, a luxury lifestyle enthusiast, or someone looking for the ultimate in mobile living, the Hyperion delivers an experience that few can match. This vehicle truly redefines what a motorhome can be, proving that heavy-duty engineering and high-end luxury can coexist harmoniously. Welcome to a new era of motorhome travel, where the journey itself becomes a destination, and every mile traveled is a testament to exceptional design, performance, and luxury.